This video shows you how to restore the calibration on a PIC16F690 using PICKitPlus. Extremely simple. Okay, I have got my PICKit software open. I will just zoom in on that for you so you can see it. There you go. The first thing to do is close the software. Close it. Get rid of it. Goodbye. Gone. Then I need you to open a particular folder. And the folder I'm opening is this folder. I will put it in for you like this. So I am going to go fold it percent user profile, all one word. Get this right. Percent, because I don't know your username. So use that percent user profile percent backslash AppData backslash local data backslash PICKitPlus, and I'll put that in the comments so that you can do it. That didn't work. There we go. Well, we'll do that again, shall we? Why didn't that work? Well, it's always good to use up profiles. It's always good to show you how it works, how I recover it. User profile percent. Control A. Oh, when I went Control A, then it went wrong, and it's done it. Now, why? What's the actual address to use? Percent. Why? Percent user profile. It's always difficult opening this folder. User profile percent, and I went into that. Control C, and I'll put that in the cut and paste. Brilliant, I'm there. So definitely that is it. Percent user profile, AppData Local PICKitPlus. We're in. Open up the PICKit2 Plus ini. Open it in an editor. Don't care what you use. I am going to move that into focus so you can see it. That's all I'm doing. There we go. And I want you to search for TMEN. TMEN. If it is not present, mine is present. If it is not present, add it at the bottom. I will pretend it's not there. Go to the bottom. Go to the bottom of the file. Control TMEN : N. I'll show you that by moving my screen. There you go. Look, there it is. TMEN. TMEN : N. Save. If you have got PICKit to open and close it, it will just overwrite that as it exits. So I'm just going to start PICKit2 software, open it up, and we'll take us into PICKit2. There we go. Remarkable. There it is. It's opened it up for us. And we have a 690 attached because it says it here, look, device 690. Now you've got an extra menu, tools, test memory. The yellow, there is the calibration word. So if I read the chip, it will give me the current calibration value of 223D. If I wanted to change that, I would go 223D. I'll change it by 1 bit to E, and then I press the right cal word here, and it will erase the chip and write that calibration word out for you. I'm then just going to read back a hex file for 690, temp 690, there you go, write that out, and then I'm just going to read it back in just to make sure that you feel convinced I've changed the calibration word, and there you go, 223E, so it's read it back in and changed it. I'm just going to put this back to as it was, just to prove it to you. Mine was D, write the calibration word, and this will erase all flash. Reload my 690 hex file, writing, there we go. It's now, if I just read it back in just to show you, 223D is back, mine is back to where it was essentially. So, recap, edit this file, that's the PICKit2.ini file in that particular folder, and then come into here, tools, test memory. Really simple. Let me just get rid of all this, minimize this, get rid of that, I didn't get rid of it properly. Look. Enjoy.